This just arrived today and I'm really excited to open it up and see what was in my Christmas mystery box. So let's get started. So Echo Park has been showing up a lot on my Facebook ads for a while. And I've looked at it a couple of times and then I always kind of talk myself out of it. But this time they had a mystery box, a Christmas one, and I believe it was $45 and they said it was a retail value of $120. And I've really gotten into Christmas crafting, so I thought I would order one and check it out. So I haven't opened this yet, so let's open it together and see what I got. That's exciting. All right, I'm just gonna set it aside and then pull some stuff over, okay? So first I have frames and tags, and it's a set of 34 pieces. So I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see them a little better. Okay, so it's got some cute little pieces. And these are just, I'm excited. I was working on a paper craft the other day, and I was wanting some Christmas die cuts to add to it. And I don't have any, and so I think that was another reason why I went ahead and decided to get this one, because I wanted some Christmas die cuts for Christmas crafting. This is so small but so cute. Aw. And some of these are frames, like I can punch them out and I'll have a frame, but I also have like this December 25th message piece. And so, and I love tags. Those are fun. Man, lots of pieces to go with this. So that was that one. It is, I don't know if this one has a name to it. Frames and tags, White Christmas frames and tags. This next one is called Season's Greetings, Titles and Phrases. So they all look like they're banners. So this one says, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Special Delivery, Season's Greetings, I like the little snowman, Joyful Noel. I like these colors and this style because I feel like it goes well with a lot of different pages you could use when you're paper crafting. Like, it just seems like it would go well with pretty much anything Christmas themed. I mean, obviously that makes sense. But you know, sometimes it's like pink, and I like those styles too, but you gotta have things that like specifically match that. Happiest season of all, greetings, season's greetings, Christmas joy, believe, Christmas in the city. These ones are small. That reindeer one is really cute. December. So if you do like December daily, these little die cuts would be great just for decorating your pages. That is cute. Okay, so that was titles and phrases and season's greetings. This next one is Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, titles, phrases, and so it's going to be like similar to the last one where we have the phrases and like banners. Alright, next it has washi tape, and this is they're 30 feet long, and this is Celebrate Santa washi tape, Holly Jolly Floral, and Festive Tree Fun. And so those are the patterns that are on them. Very cute. I love florals, so I'm really excited about this one. And then there's Santa. That's cute. Next we have some stickers, and these ones are cute. They're like buttons, you know, like more, you know, they stick out. They're like little buttons with stickers on the back. This is Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. They call them adhesive brads, and these are just like thicker cardboard stickers. And then there are 2 packs of puffy stickers. This one is Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, and this one is Happy Holidays. And so these are so cute. They go really well with the die cuts that came with it, and the washi, because of course they all go together. So those are the stickers. Next, I have the Season's Greetings sticker book. I love stickers, so this is really fun. They're a little thicker, and I think it called them, what'd they say, die cut sticker? Yeah, die cut cardstock stickers. So they're definitely thicker, and I kind of like how they have that old-timey feel to the pictures, like her in this old coat, and oh, those are cute. I always love little phrase stickers. And then a taxi with a Christmas tree. Letters. Next, it came with 2 paper pads, 6x6 paper pads. This is the Happy Holidays one, and this is the Season's Greetings. And I believe, oh, they are 2-sided. Fabulous. I love that. And I'm trying to see like if we have repeated patterns in here, but so far the pages have been different. How sweet. And this is also double-sided cardstock, 6x6, and it's Happy Holidays, so oh, these are cute. Next, we have 2 packs of chipboard with the Happy Christmas, and then this one is the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. And so here we have chipboard, and I honestly have not done a whole lot with chipboard. I'm gonna have to get on Pinterest and see how people like to use their chipboard, because these are really pretty. I guess it's a thickness thing for me. I don't like putting it in the middle of a journal just because it will stick out and be thick, but they are really cute. So I gotta figure out how to use chipboard. Oh my goodness, I keep going back to the box to get the next thing, and I just feel like it's the gift that keeps giving. This next thing is like a scrapbooking pack kit. What do they call these? A collection kit? And this is the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas collection kit. And let's open it and see what all we got. Alright, so first we have this sticker page, a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers that are so cute. Would be great for December daily, which I've never done, but this year I might do. That would be fun. And then 12 by 12 pieces of scrapbook paper. So this one has this candy cane print, and it's double-sided. Alright, it came with not one, but two kits, and this is the Christmas Flora, so I am super excited about this because, like I said earlier, I love florals, and I got the washi tape to go with this, which will be great. We'll start by looking at the stickers, and then I'll just do a flip through of the pages. So that one came with 12 pieces as well, and the texture is a little different on those, and I'm excited to use them. This is the last item in the box. It's called Christmas Cheer Coordinating Solids Paper Pack. So this will have 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers, which that's what I would say the other one was, textured papers, but so this will just be solid colors. So that you got red and green, two of those, and then, oopsie, sorry. This is kind of like a burgundy. I don't know if the color's gonna show up super well on my camera. And then the back side is black. And so it's got two of those. And then this is like a light brown, like a color I feel like people usually get in leather. And the back side of that is like a Kelly, is that Kelly green? That's not Kelly green, just, I don't know, like a Christmas green. And you got two of those. So this one came with 6 pieces of paper, textured, double-sided, and those will be great to use as well. So there we have it, my first Echo Park scrapbooking paper haul. This was their Christmas mystery box, and I got it for $45, and I think it was well worth it. I have a total of 30 pieces of double-sided 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper. I have 2 packs of chipboards, 2 packs of 6 by 6 paper pads that are double-sided, I have 2 packs of puffy stickers. I have what they called adhesive brads. I got some cardstock stickers, 3 packs of die cuts, and 3 washi tapes. So well worth it. If you guys haven't checked out Echo Park, I recommend you go check them out. This is not a branded video. I bought this with my own money and I was excited to try it out because I've really gotten into paper crafting. And this week I will go ahead and get a video out of crafting with some of these pages and stickers and die cuts. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these kits you would be more excited to see, because there are a couple in here. We have a Holly Jolly Christmas one, we have the Florals one, we have Happy Christmas, what was the other one? Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, White Christmas. So let me know in the comments down below which one you would be most excited to see. I'll probably do a mixture of them, but let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.